Fast train, slow train. James is off to Ballyhoo. Edward has to go there too. James thinks he's so fine, the fastest racer on the line. James says he wants to race. Edward makes a funny face. James sets off. Go, go, go. Edward follows, so slow. James races. Clickety-clack. Edward chugs on down the track. Look! A cow! James races past. He's a racer, racing fast. Edward slows down for the cow. Does she need his help somehow? Look! A calf is on the track. Edward stops to get it back. James races, clickety-clack. Edward chugs on down the track. Look! It's Percy! Stuck on the track. James races on. Edward holds back. Edward helps a friend in need. Racing James keeps the lead. Bertie is stuck. He is out of gas. He needs help. James races past. Edward slows and then he stops. He takes some shoppers to the shops. James thinks he is the best. He's way ahead. He can rest. He sees that he is bright and clean in his reflection in the screen. James thinks he is the better train. Isn't he a little vain? James does not see Edward chug past, but now it is James who is the last. Edward gets to Ballyhoo. He is slow and really useful too. James the racer lost the race. Vanity won him second place.